Yeah, it's recording now. Okay. So, yeah, previous class we have discussed about AWS instance and AWS EC2 instance and Linux also we have launched, right? Yeah, we have launched Linux also. That's good. Did you practice? Okay. So let me open my. Yeah, I'm just opening my AWS account. Yeah, let me share my screen. Yeah, I hope you can see my screen. That's good. Yeah, EC2 instance. Okay. Previously we have thoroughly seen AWS, Windows, how to launch the service and all. So now let's launch EC2 instance. Okay. So first we have to click on launch instance. The same steps will be involved. Okay. So this is my Linux. This is I'm just keeping my instance name, Linux instance one. Okay, this is my instance name. I'm going to choose anything. Yeah, last time we have seen Amazon Linux, right? So let us try with the Ubuntu right today. Okay. Yeah, can you see here free tier eligible? Yeah, this is actually free account. Previous one is not free account. So then I have to pay so much of amount to the AWS in that. Okay. Yeah. So that's why I don't want to use that. Yeah, I'm just keeping as usual. Free tier eligible. So there are a lot of Amazon machine images are there. These are different types of flavors. We'll talk about these flavors and all while we are discussing about Linux. Okay, so far we are going to see just a small basic configuration by using Ubuntu AMI. Okay, this is free tier eligible. If you can see here, so these are all free tier eligible. This is fantastic, funny moment. This is really because earlier we don't have these many free tier eligible. Okay, earlier production come free tier they used to mixed. They mixed with both. But actually we have already created the account free tier only. That's why only they are showing free tier related only. Sum of okay. That is fantastic move actually from AWS. Earlier they used to show everything. Okay. So now they are actually showing only free tier. Okay. So this is standard. Standard only they mentioned only one. Okay. So that's fine. No problem. Let's take this and no changes. That's why I'm not keeping any changes here. Okay. And see you see here 64-bit I'm mentioning. So for every system also in our laptop for that also we'll keep 64-bit, but thing is here only 164-bit, that too 86. That's okay. So if you select this accordingly, that automatically select all these options. No worries about it. Next, T2. Okay. See this, how many free tier they mentioned? They used to mention earlier T T2 micro. Okay. Now they mentioned T3 micro along with T3 small, C7 flex also. These are all new options, no doubt about it. These are all new options. Till 8 GB memory they mentioned free tier eligible. Why? Because however, we have only 200 credits only. $200 credits only. That's a reason. If you want to use this large scale configuration instance, you can use, but your credits will be limited. Okay, they have given only 200 credits in the uh, AWS. So this is see here 180 days remaining. Only I have 100 credit, 100 US dollars. That's it. So this is a big move from AWS. We don't have a specific free tier accounts nowadays. So this is also big move. So I don't have much, so many days. So I have to use one account for these many days only. Earlier I used to use around 1 year. This is fantastic move. I have actually 1 year account. Immediately I have to pay that amount. Okay, that's fine. So this is the one which we have seen recent observation. Okay, and remaining all hidden, everything hidden. So this is recent change. Okay, so no problem. Let's take this only, and we're gonna create a key pair. This is important. Linux was the date 02/01/2026. Okay, creating, and so these are all network related. Network, we're gonna discuss about network class. Okay, so I'm keeping as usual. All right. Okay, that's fine. I just want only one instance. That's why I'm just keeping only number of instances are only one. That's enough. Okay, launch instance. That's it. Along with these configurations, specifications. That's it. So I'm just clicking here instances. Okay. So see, it is initializing. So let it initializing. No problem at all. Until then, so let's connect. If there is any problem with while initializing, also you will able to connect. Okay, if health status check is good only, it will connect. Otherwise, it will show you trouble. What is the trouble was? But I can able to connect with this while initializing also. Okay, and see here, this is browser. We can able to access through how many ways? 4 ways. Yeah, yeah, exactly. So let me note it down here. So first one is web browser. Okay. Second one is PuTTY. Okay. Third one is Git Bash. Okay. Fourth one is MobaXterm. So so these are web browser. This is web browser. Okay. Using web browser, because we're gonna connect instance. Okay, your console. But thing is, this is too rare, because you don't have you are as an employee, you don't have permissions to use this instance using web browser, because you don't have a root credentials, you don't have a root privileges. So that's the reason. But we are actually discussing here why, because you just need to know how many ways to connect. That is the reason I'm just showing. So nobody will provide uh, your administrators or your higher authority people will not give you permission for this. So this is a way to save your instance for backups, snapshots, or you can say safe mode. So such kind of activities to do by using this, and you can also do main activity also, but so this is not recommendable. Not recommendable, this one. Okay, you must always use the use third-party tools, because you have to habituate these tools, because you will get chance to work on such tools. Okay, most probably PuTTY and Git Bash. This is very user friendly. This is one of the fantastic one of the best tool, but I don't know why in production they are not using this. That's okay. Okay, but this is I'll recommend to use this. Okay, so PuTTY and git bash MobaXterm. Let's see what are the difference between all of this and which is user friendly. If you whatever these many options are there, it's completely up to you. uh, Whatever you want to choose, you can choose this whatever. Okay, that's fine. Next. Okay, let me connect this. Meanwhile, that might have already initiated. See, we got it right. Okay, here it is showing public IP is this much and private is IP is this much. What is public IP here? 144.16.171.25.144. So the same should be here. One second. Can you see here? Public IP address, okay, and private IP address, okay. So these IPs are important. They gonna provide you this IP address for you. Clear? So if you are as employee, the administrator will provide you this IP address and credential, that password. They will keep you password. Okay. Using that password only, you're gonna open. So you need to open this. You need to use this IP address. So and password is so and so XYZ password. Okay. So through which only you can able to connect with this instance. Okay. And so here, this is the one. The console look like this. Control L. One second. See. Let's see. I'm using different Linux commands. Okay. So now here, so which means it is response is getting clear. Response is the funniest thing is actually I did not install Git, but we actually have Git. Default is getting Git. Okay. And so which means we are clearly connecting. One second. Let me use tree. Yeah. So we have to, let me try to install this. Okay, so whatever, which means it is working very much fine. That's it. So far this much you just try to understand this much only, right? Okay, next. So that is browser, and we're gonna connect with next PuTTY. So PuTTY, I think in your system it is already downloaded, right? But still, let us discuss from the scratch. So first we need to download PuTTY. Okay, so this is the one PuTTY latest release. Everyone is releasing actually, even AWS also. Fine. So we have to download PuTTY. After download, we have to install the PuTTY. Okay. So after install the PuTTY, you can able to see the screen. Can you see the screen? This box. Okay. So now I'm going to go here, copy public IP. Okay. Next, before public IP, one second, I'll paste here IP address. This is IP address, and next to SSH. Can you see here? SSH authentication. Okay. SSH authorization credentials. Okay. You have to upload here your private key, right? Actually, we have downloaded the key. What it is in the form of? We have downloaded a key, right? So can you see here which form it is? What is the extension of this? PEM. PEM means private permanent key. Permanent key. But what we need actually here, private key. Both are different, right? How can we upload this? So then again, it is a issue, right? So to do that, we have one more tool called PuTTY. Okay, this is PuTTY. Okay, so you have to, if you don't have a key, you need to generate. But I don't do it like this, right? Because I already have the key. So I will load. Okay, I just need to convert PEM key to private key. So here I could not able to find my file. So then how? Again, it is a problem. So simply you need to keep allow all files. Simply select this, open. Okay, that's it. Got it, right? So now whatever this private key is there, that private key is converted as a public key. The key is here actually. You are able to see that key also. It is in the form of different alphanumerical, I guess. Different. It is. We could not able to read. Not human readable. So that's okay. But we don't have any work with this. Just simply, just need to try to understand. This is a public key. Okay. So now I'm going to save this public key, sorry, private key, excuse me, this is private key. So whatever I uploaded here, that I am just trying to convert as a private key. Simple. Yes. Okay, what is the key name? What is key name? Private. I'll keep this name, uh, 0201020026. So this is my name of private key, and I'll keep somewhere in downloads. Okay, save. That's it. And you don't have any work with this window, just simply close. Okay, done, right? So after that, see here, this is your private key. How it look like? Some computer, old computer, 20 years back, right? And here you need to upload the same. Download. Simply select, open. That's it. Okay. So I just need to click on here. You can see here. Can you able to see here? Are you able to see here? Just simply accept it. Okay, so what is here? A login as, login as root user or Ubuntu. So what we have to type? Ubuntu, because that is our machine is related to Ubuntu. See here, can you, are you able to see this? So you could able to log in, right? So this is how. Let me try to uh, connect. Let me try to operate this. Okay, so yeah, it is there. It's working fine, right? So which means you are in root user. Okay, so which means this is working very much good. All right, so this is how we can able to connect. Yes, this is how we can able to connect with the PuTTY. Okay, yeah, let me clear this. That's good. Next, and next one is git bash. Okay, so just need to come here, Google, simply type git bash. It is also related to git. Okay, So can you see the logo of this? So this is your, it looks like this. Can you see the logo? So this is identification. Okay. Simply click on git bash, install. You just try to use, I think your machine is Windows, right? So just simply choose Windows. If it is Linux, you can keep, or Mac, Apple, something. You just simply use these commands. And if it is Windows, just simply click on Windows. Okay. And click on 64-bit. Okay. Git for 64-bit. Simply just click on here. Automatically it will download. I don't want to keep more here in my system. See, it is downloading. So after downloading, nothing else, just simply normal installation, you do it. Okay, next git bash. So after installation, you could see git bash like this in your desktop. I mean, this is a kind of, not kind of, this is desktop application. Your desktop application look like this, correct? Yeah, just need to open, simply open. Nice, right? Good color. And yeah, so here I'm, can you see here screen? Yeah, so you just need to connect here. What is this? SSH client. Click on here, click here SSH client and copy this entire example. Clear? And paste here. What is error? What is this? Can you see? Warning. What is this? This is warning. Permanently added so and so to the list of known unknown host. Okay, Ubuntu so and so. Something you are trying to connect, but thing is permission is denied because your, where is your key? In PuTTY you have done lot of things. You are uploading, downloading, converting here and there. Finally, ultimately, you just given a key. Okay, so which means if you lost your key, how did you do? So you went to a shop. Well, actually, shopkeeper something. My key lost. This is actually the image, old image, the type of my key. So it just key, one duplicate key, and you just convert it and just give me. And after that, I'll open my door. That's how you have done a lot of things to connect. That is a way. But here also you need to provide some your key, right? Mem key. So without key, is it possible? No, not possible. That is a reason it is giving you warning, and it is also completely denied, publicly denied. So what to do? You just close this. Simply go here. So wherever your key is there, you need to open Git bash there. There is no doubt it. If you open other place, it won't works. Simple. You come here. Can you see? Right click on top of anywhere outside. Okay, anywhere outside. Just simply right click, show more options. Okay, and here you see open GUI. I don't want GUI, right? I want Git bash here. Simple. Open here and sorry, it is copied up. Again, I'll come here, copy this SSH key. This one. Just copy this. You just use copy icon and paste here. And can you see this? So you can able to connect. That's it. I can able to access also. I can able to connect with this machine. I can able to operate it. Sudo is working, ls is working, pwd is working. Okay, so which means it is responding. Yeah, this is through git bash. So git bash working is also fine, very good. So next one is MobaXterm. What is MobaXterm? Let's see. So there are different types of ways to reach your house. There are different ways. So it's up to you which way is good. If you want to go short path, you can go short path. If you want to go long path road is very much good. Okay, short path road is not good. Okay, roads are like too bad. and lot of issues and so many obstacles are there in your short path. So then what you will do, if it is urgent, if it is very important and urgent, you will choose automatically short path, right? So no, actually your health is not good, you don't want to go that stupid road. So then what you will do, you will choose long path which is safe path. Okay, so that's it's completely up to you. So MobaXterm is looks like this. Can you see? MobaXterm logo is looks like this. MobaXterm, X Xterm. MobaXterm is pronunciation. Okay, now you simply download from here. It is the first one. This is very unique name. So no any application on top of this kind of name. So simply whenever you type here a MobaXterm, the first one it will come. Just simply download. There is a button here. A download option is also here. You can download directly. Just run. But the thing is, I need to show you how to do it. Let me check. We'll do one thing. Why should we waste time? Do one thing. Let's download on top of your system. Let me stop my screening share screen. So you do it better. It will all also good. It will help you also, right? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So let's try with the mobile external in your system right now. Is it fine? Okay. Let me stop sharing screen. Yeah. I hope you will get access now. Yeah. Yeah. I could see. So can you type MobaXterm on top of your browser? Yes. Yeah, please close. This is Esther's window. Still it is open. That's not recommendable, Sultan. Actually, better you should not do like that because you just please try to do focus on what I'm doing. Yeah, please do focus. Yeah, actually, this is not recommendable. Why? Because if you, for suppose, if you try to do focus on doing practice while I'm explaining, you will miss some points actually. Okay. 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 Oh, understood. Understood. Yeah. Yeah. My request is while I'm doing, please do not do. Yeah. Yes. I think second for Windows. Yeah. Second one. Yeah. Windows. Yeah. Yeah. This free version. Download here. MobaXterm Home Edition. No, not portable. The screen color one. Yeah, it is downloading. This is one of the beautiful, very beautiful tool. So please try to extract all. There is an option extract. Go back one step. I'll tell you, or else go to downloads directly. I'll try to navigate the downloads. Yeah, here is left side. Yeah, so right click. Yeah, extract all. It is there top. The above also you can see extract all the ribbon like new delete and ops. There is extract all there also. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. It's okay. This is a way. And try to extract. Yeah, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, try to double click. Simply double click this application. Yeah, not first one and second one. Windows installer. The name you type, you see, right? Type, that is DAT file. This is installer file. Yeah. So next, accept. Next, next. Yeah. Install. That's it. Let it. Okay. Finish. Okay. So can you try to uh, open this file? I mean, tool. MobaXterm. Please open MobaXterm once. Not there. Oh no, no. Just press Windows button on top of your keypad. Yes. In applications, you need to find. Yeah, this is the one recent added MobaXterm. Yeah. Okay. So whatever, which color you like, please choose that color also, or else default automatically it will be in a white color. So if you want to choose dark also, you can keep. Yeah, that would be good. So this is a appearance. No, no, wait. This is a appearance of this MobaXterm. I think better let me continue from here. Already it's your Linux machine is open, right? Linux instance is open, right? So can you go there? Linux, yeah, in EC2, yeah, EC2. Click on instances. Uh, yeah, yeah, connect. Yeah, anything is fine. Any Linux. Yeah, yeah, connect. Yeah, go to SSH client. So from here you could see the key is there. Safia Ubuntu January 1 key. The key after key name, you could see Ubuntu, right? Yes, copy that from till the end. Yeah, copy this. Yeah. Now you go to MobaXterm application. Yeah, it's already open. You can close this window. One window is enough. Yeah, yeah, that's good. And you just go to uh, above ribbon options. Ribbon is there, right? A lot of options are there. Session, server, some kind of. So one session is there, right? So icons are there. Session with icon. Turn under terminal. Yeah, that is also. That is also. That's you're right. You're right. You can do it from here and there both. Okay. Click on session. Yeah. SSH. You need to choose SSH. SSH means secure shell. Okay. So you paste here remote host. Yeah. Next, advanced SSH settings. It's below one. Yeah. And you can see here a lot of options are there. In this lot of options, you could see use private key with the checkbox. Yes. Now yeah, one as and when you press here checkbox, immediately the blue color icon appeared, right? Just click on that. Yeah. Click on, and now go to downloads. You just choose your key PEM key. I don't know which name you kept actually. So you just need to check with again EC2 instance and with the name. So where you copied SSH key, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please open. So okay, accept. Uh, perfect, perfect. So this is MobaXterm. Okay, this is one more tool. You can able to, yeah, you can able to handle. And I'll tell you the beauty of MobaXterm. This is nothing else. Actually, this is also looks similar to that what's that Git Bash and all. So I can also work from here, I can also work from there, I can also work from PuTTY also. But what is a PuTTY? What is the difference between other tools? MobaXterm, I'll let you. So you can stop sharing screen. I'll show you different things. Okay. Okay. So let me share screening. I hope you can see this. So this is MobaXterm. Oh, sorry. MobaXterm. MobaXterm. Opening session. Let me open my AWS account. So you just need to copy from here, because why I'm saying, so this is a your host name. Okay, this is your host name and this is your key. Okay, we are upload, however we are uploading key, that's the reason we are not copying this, nothing else. Okay, simply copy and you paste in the host, that's it. Okay. Okay, you reach maximum number of servers. Okay, can you please allow me 1 second? Okay, so in the MobaXterm actually it will allow only few, which means like I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 sessions only will be allowed. Clear? So that's the reason it is warning you could not able to allow and you could not able to use, so you just simply delete it, nothing else. So you don't want to keep this, you just simply drag left side and session, again SSH, paste here, advanced settings. So the warning gone, right? So again you need to keep here PAM key and say open, and here I'll show you. Can you see terminal settings? So what is your terminal color there while you are launching? That one is black, yours is black. Okay, so terminal colors also we can change. Here you see font sizes, color settings. I'm going to go. See here, foreground settings is I'm keeping here green color. Okay, background color is I'm going to keep very too black. Okay, pure black I'm keeping, and foreground color also. Foreground in the sense your text color. You can see standard text color is green color and background color is black. And I want to change color, cursor color also. Cursor I want to keep red color. Yes. Okay. Next, font settings. I have actually some so and so font actually. So I want to keep lucid as I'm. Okay. So okay, and it is getting. Can you see with the green color? So this is the way we can able to change. Okay. So I would like to launch one more EC2 instance. Let me keep here. So this is Linux. Okay, I'm taking Linux here. Yeah, that's good. And I would like to change here. This is instance 2, this is instance, this is not Linux, this is Ubuntu. No problem. So you might get question like, so you are changing here, name is Linux and your key name it would be same, right? Linux, no problem. So it doesn't affect anything. You can change your instance name any times. Okay, this is my instance 2. Let me try to connect. Copy this. See here, what did you observe here? EC2 user. There, what was the username? Ubuntu. So that is a difference. You can see here. And let me try to start here sessions again. So you can also take from here new session. Okay, SSH, paste here, advanced settings, use my key of, this is the one, right? Next. Okay, so terminal, I'm going to take color, background color would be different. I think this one, you see, can you see this one I'm taking, and foreground color would be uh, better, I can take white. Okay, and here cursor color is better, it will highlight red color. Okay, okay, and the text color, font size, font color, different type of fonts are there here. Okay, I'm going to choose something, I don't know, Cascadia, I don't know. Okay, that's fine. Okay, here is also okay. See here, can you see? It is not good, that's okay, but we can do it, which means okay. Tab color, you are saying after initializing? Yeah, you can do it, no problem. There are settings. Yeah, settings are there, right? In the settings, terminal settings will be there. See here, from here you can change default color settings. Okay, you can do it. There are a lot of options are available in this tool, but as it as a free tier, as you are practicing here, you can use this tool. Most probably in the production, I did not see anywhere that somebody is using this MobaXterm, because maybe I don't know, security concerns, maybe some other reasons, and also this is not free tool, right? So because only for 12 or 15, 12 13 instances, that's it, some sessions, and after that you have to upgrade if you want to do some uh, higher level activities on top of this. uh, this is not recommendable, maybe security concerns. Okay, and also for us it's really beautiful too. Okay, you never go beyond rules, so you can use 100% of this. Okay, and this is a one, this is actually, what is this, Ubuntu, and this is, so you see here, can you see, rename, this is Linux, you can key name as Linux. I can see, you can see here with the name of this, and I want to rename as Ubuntu, right? So now my intention is I want to switch continuously, frequently I'm switching here and there, here and there, here and there. So I feel little no, I feel little uncomfort. Yeah, so I feel little uncomfort here and there, I want to keep side by side. How? So you see here, just simply you keep windows, two different servers side by side, and you can see here, I want to type here cat, or I can nano. See, can you see here? Nano. Yeah. So I'm just typing here. So enter. Can you see? Hello, SAG. Welcome to AWS DevOps. Can you see this? I think this control is overriding here. It's disturbing. Can you see both? Right? So this is how. So multi-paste. So for suppose, so control, I will exit, save, and okay. So ls, see here, right? At a time you can able to see both. You are operating both at a time. If you want to use different type of I can say two different servers at a time. If you want to handle two different servers, if you want to operate two different servers at a time, so then you can use this way. Okay, if you want to exit multi execution window, simple. Okay, like this. If you want to connect multi execution, simply you just click on this icon. Okay, so for suppose I think I'll Linux. Okay. So I want to copy any of one command, like okay, this command I want to copy this. Copy, simply copy this and go there. Here I want to paste at a time. See, earlier I was typing, right? So now just simply paste. If you want to paste like this, you can paste, enter. So you got some response at a time, right? So now, so I was in current multi paste. Actually I want to stop the second one. I want to paste only one. You paste here, can you see? You can able to paste here, but you could not able to paste here. Why? How? Can you please, what was your observation? Could you please tell me? Now control C, it's working, control C working, and I'm trying to paste multi paste here. Both I could do, right? Yeah, exactly, good catch, right? So now I'll try to paste here, multi paste. Still you press in multi paste also, only it is paste here in one window, one server, one machine, whatever. So if you click, right click here, right click here in the paste, paste in the sense right click in MobaXterm. Okay, so in the browser right click will not work. Okay, so in git bash right click will work. Right click in the sense paste, simple. I'm just clicking here, nothing else I'm doing. Okay, so and if suppose, can you see here, I'm just selecting, I selected, which means it's copied. So I'm just selecting, I'm pasting here. I did not use any something like that. Right, um, right click, control C will not work. For suppose I'm just using control C now. Okay, what does it mean? Which means it is cancelling. Can you see? I have just pasted here. I'm just simply using control C, cancelling. So we are already entered into Linux, you know that, right? So I'm just exclude, I'm just see unchecking exclude button here. I mean button in the sense checkbox. So now I'll try to use multi, control C now. Can you see? Control C is working at a time. Okay, so I want to do multi paste here. See, again control C working. So I want to exclude this first one and I want to use multi paste here. You see, it's working. Control C is working in right window. So this console is working. This control was passed using this exclude. So you can able to do operations like this. This is a beauty of extra MobaXterm, right? So it looks like very user friendly and easy. There are a lot of options also are there, like that. Okay, so there are other options also. If you want to check, you can check in settings. So there we have settings also. You can use those settings. See this, default settings. If you want to make it default, you can make it default. Okay, terminal settings, general settings, SSH settings. Okay, display settings, toolbar. So if you want, if you have time, you just do all this stuff. Okay, better you can understand. Okay, so I don't want to use all this stuff. This is enough, I guess, so far. That's whatever activities we do in future, so these many activities we will do. Okay, by using MobaXterm we can do, which means we can save our time. Yep. Okay, okay. I'll check with them. Yeah, yeah. So this is about MobaXterm, which means we indirectly, while we are launching this MobaXterm and all this stuff, tools we have entered into Linux now. So tomorrow we're gonna start with the Linux. So is it fine? I think it's 1 hour, right? Already time is up. So let us continue from the uh, scratch. Sultan, actual thing is, I'm going for meditation uh, in the month of January 14, 15, 16, 17. So at that time I'll not be available. So that's the reason I just want to compensate here. So that's the reason I'm just yesterday also I was ready to take the class because I want to compensate, right? That's okay. That's okay. It's complete your vacation. 100%, 100%. I'm not opposite to the. I'm not. I'm not denying it to celebrate. But thing is, we are actually in daytime. You will be in night time, right? So that's why I will always be ready to take the class because for me it's morning. Yeah, yeah. Better if you want to take. Yeah, yeah. So upcoming, I think Sankranti is one of the big festival is coming. So maybe at that time I'll be engaged. At that time I'll take leave. So that's the reason. I just want to use. At least if we will be in a proper flow. So if I can able to complete entire Linux at that time, so better. You're gonna do practice more in the on top of Linux. Linux is very 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 important. It's a key. Okay, for DevOps, Linux is a key. Okay, if you are handy, very much handy on Linux, you're gonna play with like this with that DevOps. There are different tools, that's okay. But if you want to operate first you need to have a steering, right? So you steering by brakes, accelerator, okay, and also clutch. You should have to be ready with all those stuff, right? To handle entire bus and car and all stuff. So that's how these are all actual main basics. So you must be very much fast in all those stuff basics. S- so you see, right? We have already completed all this stuff. And this actually, this MobaXterm and all, with my interest, I just taught you. Nothing is there here actually. So installation only they are mentioning only SSH related something, but actually whatever prerequisite softwares they mentioned. But with my interest, I've taught you 4 ways. Okay. Yeah, so we have seen these. Yeah, this is the one. EC2 instances done. These are all we have done. So we are actually just now we entered here. Clear? Okay. Next we're gonna see all this stuff tomorrow. Not at a time, so it will take a time. Okay, to complete this because you need to understand, right? Hmm. Okay. 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 Yeah. Yeah. So let us try to cover all this stuff. Okay. Yeah. So we tomorrow, however, we are going to complete. We are going to start with this Linux comments from the scratch. So not directly from the commands. So let us discuss why the Linux came. So what is the purpose of Linux? What is the history of Linux? All those stuff. Okay. So why we need to have all these Ubuntu EC2 instances, some other like SUSE, some other like Solaris and all those stuff. Actually, we should know the ancestors. We should know about our ancestors, right? So that's how. So actually, Linux came from Unix. Okay, so how? So all those history we're gonna see tomorrow. After that, let's get started with the comments. After Linux again, we'll go back to AWS. Just only we covered AWS here for install, launch the instances so far. Okay, so after this, again, there's some, I think AWS, I think this much, how many AWS EC2 instances only, this much part is only here in the AWS. So after Linux, better I can continue with if there is AWS. Yeah, it is AWS, right? So my strong recommendation to you is, as per my experience, before going to AWS, better before going to DevOps, you should complete AWS. Clear? So let us do one thing. You already know how to launch EC2 instances, all this stuff. So just only for these two lines, correct? So after finishing AWS, let's go into it, DevOps. Better. That would be very much good for you because you will get complete idea about the cloud, right? Once if you have an idea with the cloud, so remaining tools, entire DevOps tools, we will start it all together. Again, here and jump here and there, here and there. If you are jumping from here and there, so that will be that will create a confusion. See here, actually in the table in the curriculum, you could see 14th option is AWS, but I won't recommend like this. Okay, better we can start AWS and Linux all together. So if these are all actually interrelated, both. So if you want to operate AWS, definitely you must know Linux, right? No doubt. Okay. So if you want to, okay, EC2 instance, you have done everything fine. But if you want to operate EBS and EFS, etc., etc., first of all, you must know Linux. Let us get started with the Linux first. After that, we will go to AWS, complete AWS cloud. After finishing AWS cloud, and then we can start DevOps tools. Okay, you will get idea, at least clear idea about DevOps after finishing AWS, right? So yeah, tomorrow we can start Linux. After finishing Linux, we'll go AWS. After AWS, we can start all this stuff. Shell scripting, Git, GitHub, and Maven, Tomcat, Apache, SonarQube, Nexus, Jenkins, etc., etc., etc. So all this stuff. I think Docker is also here, and Kubernetes. Um, so we are actually not aligned. So let us do align. Okay. Whatever dependencies, prerequisites, we can learn first. Okay. So that's it, Sultana, for today. So do practice for though it is easy, please do practice. No problem. Because you this PuTTY and converting a temp key to private key, all this you need to be handy. That's the reason you should be very free, right? So you should do very fast. To do fast, as though it is easy and though it is very user friendly, also if you do more practice, it will be very handy. So while you are working in somewhere some companies and some with your team, it should operate like this very fast. If you want to get fast operation, you do practice, right? Thanks for joining, Sultana. That's it for today, and we'll see tomorrow at the same time. So until then, take care. Bye bye.